Okay, so let me take this one. And burn. Let me burn this too. Yeah! Next game. How many holes are there in this t-shirt? 1, 2, 3. Stop it. 1, 4, 5. What? Oh, that is what it means. Oh, hey guys, I didn't see you here. Okay, let me just close the tab. Did you like the game? Yeah, it was really cool. Are you thinking we need to download the game? No, there's no downloadings for the game. And now today I'm gonna tell you a website where you can play so many types of games. Guys, it's okay. Well, I'm not only gonna tell one game, I'm gonna tell 2 games where you can play so much. Actually 3, okay? So before you watch my video, please subscribe and like down below, and please read my description. And now, if you want to have fun in some laptop, now I'm gonna show you something. So mainly, there's the first game is called as ABC, yeah. But remember guys, it's only free on laptop. In the phone, it's not free. Yeah. So we just need to press ABC. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh, ABC, yeah. Wow. The mini grades are P3, grade K. Well, I am in 4th grade, so I'm just gonna pick 4th grade. So, let's take holidays. So guys, you just need to type ABC, yeah, and there are many games which you can explore, guys. And look, if you can scroll down, you will see many games, and these are all games. So there are many all types of games. So let me play a game for you guys. Science game! Wow. Okay, I am a scientist right now. Orbit or skeleton system? Which one should I choose? Are there only 5 games? No, that's too boring, guys. Well, I'm gonna play some food games. I love food games. Which one should I play? Make a cupcake. That's so cool. Even though here, let me just press F11, which means full screen.
Make a cupcake.
Yummy. Let's start.
Select a yummy cake from the menu below.
Okay, I'm gonna choose this one or this one. This one. Yeah. Let's just
tap on an irresistible icing that you'd like to use. Draw on the cupcake with your mouse to put the icing on. You can mix and match as many icings as you'd like.
Okay, are there only these many ice creams? Again, I'm just gonna take vanilla and
select some scrumptious sprinkles and click on your cupcake to add them.
And I'm going to take these, they look like a strawberry flavor, some hearts. I love you.
Select some tasty toppings and click on your cupcake to add them.
Ooh, there's
click
a chocolate.
the finish button to enjoy your cupcake.
Finish.
Are you ready to enjoy your cupcake?
Yeah, of course. Yum. Huh? Where is it? Yeah. Yum 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 yo 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 yo. Okay, that's
Cupcake dance party!
Wow. Whoa, that was a lot of music. I love that game. So you can play more games guys, or just play one game for you. You can explore as much as you can. So next, our next game is called as Poki. Poki games. So you just need to press Poki, G-A-M-E-S. P-O-K-I-G-A-M-E-S. Poki games. So, online games on Poki. Let's play! Of course! Let's play! Which game should we play? Which game? Subway Surfers. Wow. And which game should I play? No. Let me play, no. Let me just try to play this one. It's preparing the game. You can see over here. Oh, how much time does it take? I'm just gonna press full screen. Maybe instead of Subway Surfers, I'm just gonna play. Oh, Snake Games. I love to play Slither.io. Slither.io. La 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 la. Slither.io. Slither.io. La 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 la. Well, guys, actually there's less internet, but in Poki also you can play games. So sorry guys, I'm not gonna play games for you guys. So the last game is, I don't remember the name. Yeah, friv. F-I-R-V, sorry, F-I-R-V, friv games. Friv, sorry, F-R-I-V. That's so distracting. It's so different. Oh, friv. Minecraft Classic! Oh my god! We can play Minecraft Classic, which is not free. I wish I had real Minecraft, but real Minecraft is too tough for me. I actually played it one day. My friend bought it. What type of games are these? What type of games are these actually? Oh, here also Slither.io. Let's see if we can play. Not sure. What's happening? I want to play Slither.io. Yeah. Advertisement. Okay. Send feedback. This wasn't done. So Slither.io. So guys, yeah, game. Let me play for you guys. I'm just gonna like this one because I play Slither.io. Yeah, play. Yes. Wow. Let's go. Yum. Let's just move around. Whoa. Well, I'm not really good at playing games on laptop, but I'm really good at playing Roblox. Wow, what's this? I don't know how to use this way. So. Whoa. Yeah. No, it rounded up me. Guys, actually I'm not really good at playing this, but at least I enjoyed a bit. So, guys, these are the 3 games which you can play online, which I know. Well, at the next video, I'm going to show more games. I'll explore so much for you guys, and I'll also search through games which even small kids can play, even 3 years old kids, 4 years old kids. Even my sister plays a lot in laptop and she's just 3 years old. And now again I am telling you the game's name. First is ABC, yeah. And second is friv. And third is Poki games. So thank you for watching this video. Enjoy again on laptop and visit again Shrestha's creative thoughts and ideas. La 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 la. Ba 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 ba.